Welcome to another video in my quick move-in series. Now, for those of you that don't know, a quick move-in home is a brand new construction home that was either a spec build from the builder or it is one that was under contract, but the buyer was unable to complete the purchase for whatever reason. Either way, quick move-in homes offer a unique opportunity and advantage in today's market. One of the things that's especially nice about a quick move-in home is it allows you to purchase a new construction home without having to wait the typical 8 to 11 months for that home to be completed. It is a home that you are going to be able to move into within the next 30 days to possibly 3 or 4 months. Number two, quick move-in homes are homes that are done, so the builder would like those sold again. As such, they usually offer additional incentives on those properties, so you can get some of the absolute best pricing and deals available. The home that I'm featuring today is the Barton floor plan by Shaddock Homes. The Barton is a single-story home that features 4 bedrooms and 3 baths in 2,308 square feet of living space. And one of the really nice features about this home is the 20-foot wide covered rear patio. Let's go take a look. Welcome inside the Barton. I know a lot of the homes that I feature and the ones that are built the most these days are much larger homes. Let's face it, that's not what everybody needs and or wants. And that is where this floor plan comes into play. It is laid out really nice, offers plenty of space for everything you need without having a bunch of wasted space for things that you don't. So with that in mind, let's take a look around. As you enter into the home, you're going to notice that there's these light colored engineered wood floors that lead all the way to the back. Okay, and immediately to the left of the front door is where you're going to find the first 2 bedrooms. So you've got this bedroom right here on the front of the house. Not a bad size overall. And then between the 2 bedrooms, you're going to have a full bath complete with the vanity and a tub shower combo. And on the opposite side of the bath, you do have bedroom number 2. So you've got one of the secondary bedrooms right here. The closet in these bedrooms, the secondary bedrooms, are all a similar size. I mean, they're not huge by any means, but they are functional. As we make our way back out into the hallway, you're going to have your entrance to your garage right here, standard 2-car garage, a coat closet. And then down here, you are going to have the 3rd bedroom. So again, fairly typical size, but unlike the other 2, this one is en suite. So depending upon your needs or setup, this could be perfect. So you've got the sink and vanity right there, and also a tub shower combo here as well. Now, just down from that, you do have your laundry room. It's a really nice size laundry room for the size of the home. So you've got a shelf right here over the washer and dryer, and it is also pre-plumbed for a sink, which is a nice feature to add in, but there's also plenty of space to add additional cabinets if you'd like. And then there's a storage closet as well. And then that leads us down into the main living area, or the great room. So you've got this really beautiful gray backsplash done in more like a herringbone type pattern. You've got these quartz countertops with a gray speck in them. And then all of the main cabinets, which go all the way to the ceiling, are done in a white shaker. And then you've got the contrasting dark black cabinet for the center island, which is a really nice look. All stainless steel appliances by Whirlpool, a 5-burner gas cooktop here, and then you've got the oven and microwave there. And then you've got your main eating area right here. And the way this room is designed, that's actually a really large space. You could comfortably put a table in there for 8 or so, maybe even more. Adjacent to it, you've got the stacked stone fireplace, complete with mantle. You've got television hookups directly above, And as Shaddock have been doing in all of these homes, you've got these really nice modern light fixtures here. If you would like additional information about this particular home, in the description below, I have got a link to the property details page. From that page, you can see a printout of the floor plan. You can get additional photographs, get a list of the standard features, as well as the current pricing. Alternatively, if you have other questions, please feel free to call or text the number on your screen. Also in the description below, I do have a link to my calendar. If you'd like information about the Light Farms community, other floor plans that Shaddock has available, other builders here in this community, or any builder and community in the greater Frisco Prosper area, then I invite you to book that call. I'd love to learn more about what it is that you're looking for and match you and your family with the builder and community that will work best for you. And also, let me know in the comments below, what do you like most about this home so far? What's your favorite feature from what you've seen? Or what do you wish this home had that you haven't seen as of yet? As mentioned at the beginning, you do have this sliding glass door that opens up all the way to create really nice indoor-outdoor living. And then panning back across the kitchen, you've got the nice pendant lights there. And you could comfortably fit 3 or 4 bar stools there at the island. So as we go outside, you do have this 20-foot wide covered patio, complete with ceiling fan, which is really nice. And then you've got the backyard here that offers plenty of space the way this is laid out. So you could extend this further or do whatever it is you like out here. As we make our way back inside, as you go this way, you will end up in the master bedroom. So a nice sized master, lots of windows across the back, which is great. You've got the taller ceilings, ceiling fan, and then that leads through to the frameless shower, complete with a nice tile floor there. You've got the separate soaking tub. You've got the dual sink vanity. You've got a smoke detector that needs a new battery. And then you've got the walk-in closet here at the back, along with the storage here for sweaters, shoes, bags, whatever it is that you might need. So overall, a really nice floor plan. The cabinets, as you notice here in the master, are also darker, which contrasts nice and picks up the vein in the floor really, really well. Thank you for spending some time with me touring this Barton floor plan by Shaddock Homes. Now, if you have additional questions for me about this particular home, go ahead and call or text the number that is up on your screen. And if you found value in this video, I invite you, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel as I release new videos like this each and every week, as well as provide market updates and let you know what the latest trends are in the Frisco and Prosper marketplace. Now, if this home is not what you're looking for, or you'd like additional information on who's building what where, then I invite you to book a call. In the description below, there is a link to my calendar. I'd love to learn more about your situation and then be able to match you with the builder and community that will work out best for you and your family. Now, don't go anywhere, as I'm sure you're going to enjoy one of these videos coming up next.